It's really easy. I know you could do it, and it's just makeup. It washes off, so don't freak out. Have some fun, play around, because it washes off. You know what I'm saying? Hi guys, my name is Bailey Sarian, and today I want to show you this beautiful eyeshadow palette that I got to help create with Estate Cosmetics. This palette is called Venice Fling, and I was inspired by Venice Beach. Think summer sunsets. That's what I was going for, which is totally the vibe you are getting with these 9 eyeshadows. They are super creamy, they are blendable, you're gonna get a high pigment, but most of all, like my favorite part is they're just beautiful. But I wanted to show you guys a tutorial on how to just create a really easy look. I swear it's easy. It's this look right here. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do this look right here. It's kind of edgy and cool, I think it is, right? Okay, cool, I'm glad we agree. First things first, I already primed my eye. I just used concealer, and I'm going to use a setting spray to wet my brush. I personally like to use the shadows wet, not the matte shadows, but the metallic creamy shadows. I like to use wet. It makes them more intense. So with a small brush, I just come right at the outer V, and then I kind of come right into the crease of the eye. I like to do this with my eye open. That way I know exactly where the color is going. Because you know when you open your eye and then like the color disappears because you didn't put your shadow high enough? We don't want that happening. Right in here. And then I just work on this outer V part, so I'm bringing the shadow out along the lower lash line. Looks scary. So then I clean up the fallout afterwards, so don't worry about it, let it go. Now I'm using this shade right here, it's called Roller Skates, and I'm placing this right onto the center of the lid. You can also use this shadow wet as well, it makes it a lot more intense. I did spray my brush and I just forgot to show you. I'm also gonna bring this shadow right along the inner lower lash line. Cool, yeah. Now I'm going to take the shade right here, it's called Ocean Avenue, and I'm just gonna place this right into the inner tear duct, inner lower lash line. So then I take a makeup remover wipe and I just kind of clean up underneath my eye, but also this is the part where you can make the end of your eye more sharp and clean. You know what I'm saying? Get all the fallout off, ta-da. So now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. And this is the finished look. Do you guys like it? Do you love it? Do you wanna wear it? Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to check out this lovely palette, Venice Fling with Estate. Woo! This will be available in your IPSY Glam Bag Plus, or you could go to estatecosmetics.com and pick one up for yourself. I hope you have a good day, make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys later.